In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use document analytics to find where your sales process is getting stuck. A lot of people send out a proposal, quote, or agreement and then simply wait, but the real advantage comes from paying attention to what happens after you send it. Document analytics can give you valuable clues about client behavior, and those clues can help you improve your sales process instead of just hoping for a response. To get started, open the Documents tab in your platform and look for the Analytics button or tab near the top. This is where you can review how recipients are interacting with the document you sent. It's a simple feature, but it can tell you a lot about what's working and what might be slowing someone down. Once you're in Analytics, take a look at the View activity. If you notice that a client has opened the document many times, for example around 10 views, but still hasn't signed, that usually means they're interested but hesitating. In many cases, they're getting stuck on a specific part of the document. That might be the pricing, the scope of work, or the terms. Multiple views without action often signal uncertainty rather than a lack of interest, and that's an important distinction. Next, look at the time spent on each page. This helps you see exactly where your client is focusing their attention. If one page gets significantly more time than the others, that page may need a closer look. For example, if clients spend a long time reading your terms and conditions, the wording may be too dense or too complicated. Simplifying that language can make the document easier to understand and help move the signing process along more quickly. The goal here is not just to observe the data, but to use it. Let the analytics guide your improvements. If you consistently see clients pausing on the menu page, that's useful feedback. You might strengthen that section by adding a short video, using a better photo of your food, or improving the layout so the value is immediately clear. Small changes like this can make a big difference in helping someone feel confident enough to move forward. Over time, these insights can help you refine your templates and remove friction from your sales process. Instead of guessing why a deal stalled, you'll have real information to work with. And when you use that information well, you create a smoother experience for your clients and a more effective process for your business.